What's good, y'all? It's your boy Wavy Got No Limit, and I'm feeling wavy today, you feel me? And today, y'all, is day 1 of the 30-day exercise challenge. I've been dropping music on my main channel. The link will be in the description, and we're going to be doing arms, okay? So make sure you guys like the video, and let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all. Right now we're gonna be doing 100 bicep curls. So first, what we start off by doing is we're doing 25. All right, 4 reps of 25. So we're gonna get straight into that. So I want you guys to work out with me, bro. Okay? If you're watching my videos, I want you to start exercising and getting right. You know what I'm saying? You gotta start putting yourself first, and you gotta start working on yourself in any way you can. All right. I hope I can motivate y'all and inspire y'all to do whatever y'all want. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna watch my entire journey and see where I started from and where I will be going. I have a lot of things planned for y'all. So let's get straight into it. 1, 2, 3. These are 20 pounds each arm. So we're doing this, we're doing 1. You feel me? 1 each arm, and then 2. All the way to 25. Alright, y'all? So let's get it. Oh yeah, guys, if you guys want me to live stream and exercise with you guys live, comment it down below, right? But today's video, we're not sponsored by Fiji yet, but we're gonna be drinking water, and I want you guys to stay hydrated while you're exercising, bro. Alright, y'all, before we get into the exercise today, we're gonna be stretching before that. Make sure that you feel me, your muscles don't get tight, especially when you're doing these reps. You gotta do 4 sets of 25. But if you're watching this, you can't do 4 sets of 25. You know what I'm saying? You just start off by doing 3 sets of 10, or like 4 sets of 10, and just start off small, because consistency is what's gonna get you where you need. All right. So let's stretch, all right? And get you some natural water, bro. Not that, I mean, if that's all you have is tap water, drink it. But if you can get you some like Fiji or other waters that are natural, go get it, bro.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop.
Got done stretching, so let's get straight into the workout. All right, let's get right into it too. Let's go.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
I was doing 100 push-ups a day, so this is kind of usual, like normal to me. So like, just start off small, all right? And we're going to be doing a full body transformation. So in the end of the video, make sure you stay till the end, okay? And we're going to be seeing how it's going to be day 1 at the end of our workout, all the way to day 3, and see the transformation that we did together, all right? So stay tuned and make sure you watch the rest of this video to the front all the way to the end, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? I hope you join me and exercise with Wavy got no limit, bro. Because we don't limit ourselves, my nigga. Simple. All right, y'all, we're gonna do our second rep of 25, and this is gonna be 50 bicep curls, all right? We're gonna keep doing this till we get to 100. Remember, take as long as you need to recover your arm so that you're not out there like waking up in the morning like bees trying to reach for some juice or some shit. But you ever saw that one meme off of Horton Hears a Who when he had that thing in his arm and he tried to reach for something? That's gonna be you if you don't take your little break, especially on day 1. But let's get straight into it, and let's get ready.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Stroke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
25. Boom. All right, y'all. That's 50. Did 25, 25. You know what I'm saying? We got right. Another tip. What was the tip I wanted to give him? I was just thinking about it. Oh, and also another tip for you guys, bro. You gotta make sure when you're doing these, it's not about doing them as quick as you can. It's about doing them the right way. Because the better that you
Have you ever had a dream that you
go boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? The slower you go, the better results you get. And if it burns or it hurts or something, that means that you're getting gains, bro. So do not let your mind like stop you from achieving what you need. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of shit that goes with exercising that's more than just exercise. Most successful people exercise. Most rich exercise. Like, you ever heard health is wealth? Niggas is not capping. So we gotta start here, man. We gotta start here. You know, we're gonna take a little break. We got our little water. Remember, every break, you're drinking your water. I'll get you guys when I'm ready to do this next 25. I'll probably not even do a 5-minute break. I'll take like a 1 minute, 2 minute break, and then I'll be back, all right? And in between your breaks, make sure that you're stretching as well. Because I could tell from going like this sometimes, your shoulder, like it can get like a little tight. So when you're doing it, you gotta make sure you're going straight up. You see that? See the muscle here? You go up. Because if you go sideways or something, you're gonna pop that bitch. So you gotta make sure you're going straight up. Straight up. Okay? Alright. Alright, y'all. This is the third rep. We're gonna do another 25. This is gonna be 75, alright? So y'all count.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life worth meaning. Something I love till my heart stops beating. I'm everyone's demon. I know it's tough. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Keep rumbling, I'm done doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep dreaming on. Time stays strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what bust is. I've got a taste when I chase like that. Yeah, I'm so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. But I just keep my head no cap. I'ma ride, no doubt, my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, when I see me stack. I'ma start how you fall till you get right back. I'll up, this ain't get tough. Callous cheese, my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, that's right. Ain't come down with none, cause I'm so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time to stay strong. You need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time to stay strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Reps. Today we're doing 100 bicep curls. I have 4 more other workout videos we're doing today, so make sure you guys go check them out. I have 2 more other ones, you know what I'm saying? If y'all wanted video content of, you know what I'm saying, whatever y'all want to see, anything fitness related, health related, any questions you guys have, put them down below in the comments, all right? So let's do these last 25, get them out real quick. And I got some announcements to tell you guys, so make sure y'all stay to the end. And let's get it. Summertime, right? Oh, summertime is right around the corner, you guys. So I want you guys to exercise with me and get your bodies right for this summer, my nigga. Remember last summer what you said? Remember last summer? I'm finna get right. Yeah, no you didn't. This year is gonna change, so make sure you guys watch the video. Stay tuned, and yeah.
Like me, open up your eyes and insert a little rising. my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch,
Just for some extra credit. All right, y'all. Woo. It was a good workout today. We did 100 bicep curls. It was amazing. It was good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any other videos, ideas, anything, comment it down below. I will be doing oh shit. All right. At the end of this 30-day challenge, we will be doing a music video while I'm exercising. You know what I'm saying? Who's thinking of that? So make sure you guys stay throughout this journey, throughout 30 days, all right? We're gonna get right. We have some surprises. I may be giving away some, you know what I'm saying, equipment. You know what I'm saying? Maybe y'all want a yoga mat. I'll give them away. Y'all just comment what y'all need. Anything y'all need, y'all let me know, all right? Thank you guys for all the support. You know what I'm saying? Follow my Instagram to be notified every time I do drop one of these videos. I also make music. I'm working on a lot of things for you guys, all right? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you guys watch the rest of these videos. I'm dropping 4 today. 4 more. Actually, I'm doing 5. I'm dropping 4 more, all right? Thank you guys for watching. You know what I'm saying? This is your boy Wavy Got No Limit. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do the progress for today. We're gonna be looking at, you know what I'm saying, our arms. Feel me? Day 1. These are the muscles for today. I'll show you guys the chest. Everything. It's day 1. You dig me? Day 1, this is how we looking. You feel me? Shoulders. I'll take my flashlight. All right, y'all, this is what we're looking at day 1, the progress we did today. Make sure you guys doing this too so you guys can actually see the progress that you guys are doing. Show you guys my shoulders, my arms, my chest, my abs, and my back, right? On day 1. You ready? So this is the front.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life...
Alright, y'all. It's day 1. We're getting right. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment any new videos y'all want to see. With that being said, I love each and every one of y'all. I want all y'all to chase your dreams, and I want y'all to go hard, bro. You're the only one stopping yourself from getting to where you need to be. All right, and I'm the visual proof. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you watch the rest of these videos. These videos dropping day 30, and I'm out. Peace.